Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below.
Let's create user registration screen. So for that, we will go to view and here we'll add a new folder, naming it user registration. And here we'll go with a new file, naming it user registration screen dot. We will go with a stateful widget and it's going to be user registration screen. Here we'll go with scaffold and wrap it with safe area. App bar, here we'll go with preferred size. Here we'll go with app bar. Title, it's going to be a text. And here we'll go with register. We will go with style and it's going to be app text style. Let's go for 16 bold. Now we have to go with body. Inside body, we'll go with a list view. Children. And here we'll go with, we have to add a little bit of padding here. So we'll go with padding, edge insets dot symmetric. Horizontal, it's going to be 3.w. Vertical, it's going to be 2.8. And we will save this one. We will go with app bar background color white. And we have to import the colors file. Here we will go with a little bit of free space. So we'll go with size box, height. Let's go for 2.h. And next coming up, we will go with a circle avatar. Radius is going to be 5.h. Child is going to be circle avatar. Radius is going to be 5.h minus 2. And we will go with a background color for the previous circular avatar. It's going to be black. Save it here. And inside of the provider, we want to go with a new provider and it's going to be registration provider, or you can say profile provider. Let's go with a new file, profile provider dot class profile provider extends change notifier. Here we will go with a let's go with our restaurant application, and from here we will copy some of the codes. So we have services, we have food data crude services, and we are looking for image services. Okay. So here we'll copy this pic image, go back to our Uber function, Uber app, and here inside controller we'll go to services. We will go with a new folder, image services, and inside of it we will create a new file, image services dot. Here we'll go with class image services, and inside of it we will paste this entire thing. So we'll add up all of the necessary things. We will go with image picker, we will import material, we will import toast. Okay, we don't have the toast, I think so. Okay, we didn't added the toast message service in our Uber Eats. So we'll go to widgets, and here we'll go with a new file, toast service dot. We'll go back to restaurant application, and from here we will go to toast service file, copy the entire code, come back here and paste here. Now we have to add some of the things. We also do have to add the package, that is toast package. So beside toast package, everything we have added. So we'll go to Pubspec YAML of restaurant application, and we will pick for the toast package. We will head back, open up terminal, and we will go with flutter pub add flutter styled toast. For now, just remove this error imports, and this toast package has been added. Now let's import this toast package. And this is ready. We will go to services, image services, and we will import the toast package. Okay. Another thing, we have to remove this warning from the file, so we'll remove it. Going to provider, we have profile provider. Now let's go back to restaurant application. From here, we will go to provider. Here we do have food provider, and we will copy this to parameter, head back to profile provider, and instead of food image, it's going to be profile image. And here we'll go with profile image URL. We will again head back to restaurant application, and here we do have to function. We will copy this to function, come back to Uber app, and here we will import all of the necessary input. So here is our profile image, paste here, and here we have to copy this function also, upload images to Firebase. So we'll go to restaurant application, and we will copy this, upload images to Firebase storage, and head back, go to image services, and add up this function. Now we have to add Firebase storage, and we are good. Now we will go back to profile provider, and here it's going to be profile image URL. Here we will log profile image URL, and here we have to import developer. It's going to be profile image. Now let's save it. Now we'll head back to restaurant, not restaurant. We'll head back to view, and here we do have the registration screen. We will head back here, and here is our circle avatar. We will click here, wrap with the widget Inkwell, on tap. We will make it asynchronous, await, context.read, profile provider dot pick image from gallery. And here we will go with the child for this circle avatar, the inside circle avatar or the child circle avatar. we will go with child, and it's going to be, and we will wrap the entire circle avatar. Okay, we will not wrap this one. We'll wrap the entire inkwell thing with consumer. Consumer. We'll go with context, comma, profile provider, child. And we have to initialize this consumer. So we'll go with profile provider, and here we will return this inkwell. Let's add a semicolon at last. Child. Here we'll go with a builder. Here we'll go with context, and we will go with a check. If profile provider dot profile image equals null, then return font awesome icon, dot person, comma color, it's going to be black. Else return image, and it's going to be file image, profile provider dot profile image. We will go with fit, and it's going to be box fit dot contain. Now let's add a comma. Let's add this one. So we will go to our main dot dart, and instead of sign in logic, for now just we will make the home as registration, user registration screen. Let's save it. And let's restart the application. It throws us the error that profile provider not found, so we have to initialize the profile provider in main. So we will copy this. Here we'll go with profile provider. Copy this, paste here, and restart the application. Here we have this person, but it looks too bad. So we'll scroll down, and instead of person, we'll go with user. Size is going to be 4.h, and the background color is going to be white. The same for, okay, now let's have a look. It's good now. So if we tap here, we open gallery, and we can add our profile image. So here we'll go with fill. Let's save it. So instead of builder here, we will just go with if profile provider dot, copy this one, paste here. If profile provider dot, we have to, won't be going with profile if statement here. Profile provider dot profile image equals null. Then go with a font or some icon, else null. We will remove this builder, and here we will go with background image, profile provider dot profile image not equals to null. Then go with image, and it's going to be file image is going to be profile provider dot profile image. We have to add a null, check, else just go with a null. Okay, we can't go with a null. Here we have to add some image. So let's go with an asset image. So here is our code ready. Basically, we won't be able to go with an image. We have to go with an image provider. So here is our final code. Let's save it. And now let's have a look. So right now our profile image is null. So let's click a profile image and it's good now. Next, we want to add parameters, that is the name. So here we will go with, after this consumer, we will go with little bit of free space, size box, height, let's go for 4.h. And here we will go with common text field. Okay, we have to import the common text field from Raspberry application. So we will go to widgets, and here we do have text field widget. So copy this entire text field widget, come back here, and inside of widget in our Uber Eats application, we will go with common text field dot and paste it. Now we have to import colors and import text style. And from top, we will remove the previous import. So here we'll go with common text field. We will go to the top, and here we will go with text editing controller, name controller equals text editing controller. And at bottom here we will go with name controller, title it's going to be name, in text it's going to be user name, and keyboard type it's going to be text input type dot name. Let's save it. Now let's have a look. Okay, it's good.
Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below.